SUV tents that attach to the back of a vehicle have evolved into robust, year-round shelter solutions for family car camping and overland adventures. They promise integrated climate control, quick transition between vehicle-connected living spaces and standalone tents, and expanded footprint without committing a full travel trailer.
List number 1. SUV tent. This Wildfinder rectangular SUV tent prioritizes spacious interior and vehicle compatibility. It advertises an 86-inch center height and a PU 3000mm waterproof coating with a dedicated shoe area and wet-dry separation. The tent is designed to attach to a vehicle's rear hatch, enabling climate control benefits from the car interior and allowing quick access to items inside the vehicle. The 84.8 square foot floor area and 8 feet by 10.6 foot footprint yield a roomy living area suitable for up to 4 occupants, despite a 5-person capacity being advertised, which may reflect flexible sleeping arrangements or a longer layout. Aluminum poles and breathable mesh contribute to a balanced structure and ventilation. In practical use, the rear hatch attachment reduces gaps, but can impose alignment challenges on uneven ground. The dedicated shoe zone helps maintain interior tidiness during wet weather, though the overall weight and bulk, package around 2.45 kilograms per listed package weight, suggest a compact car camping setup rather than a heavy-duty expedition scenario. The seam construction and PU coating indicate weather protection, but field performance will depend on how well the vehicle hatch seals against wind-driven rain. Standalone use is possible, but the vehicle-attached design benefits users who want proximity to gear and climate control from the car.
List number 2. SUV tent for camping with Rainfly. Wildfinder's second SUV tent entry emphasizes an all-around weatherproof double-layer design with PU 3000mm rating and precision-sealed seams. At 8 foot by 8 foot floor footprint and 7.2 feet peak height, it targets 4 to 6 occupants with room for an SUV air mattress. The compact 96-inch square footprint favors efficient use of campsite space, and the quick 5-minute setup with 2 people or 10 minutes solo is a key usability advantage for impatient families. The model includes a standalone capability allowing use away from the vehicle when needed, which broadens its applicability beyond tailgate camping. The double-layer design improves rain protection and helps with dew management in the morning. The tent's weight, about 8.96 kilograms, and included carry bag dimensions reflect a manageable ground setup, though the lack of explicit mesh vent emphasis beyond standard windows may affect airflow in hot, humid conditions. The 64 square feet of floor area is leaner than the prior Wildfinder entry, so plan sleeping arrangements and gear storage accordingly. Overall, the design is straightforward with reliable vehicle attachment and a strong waterproof baseline.
List number 3. Timber Ridge 5 to 9 person SUV tent with screen porch. Timber Ridge's premium 5 to 9 person model integrates a large 13 foot by 10 foot footprint with an 87-inch center height and a versatile screen porch plus awning. The structure accommodates 5 campers with space for 2 air mattresses or 5 sleeping bags, and its car trunk connection mirrors the brand's focus on vehicle access integration. The fabric features PU 2000 waterproofing and multiple ventilation points via 2 doors and 3 windows, balancing weather resistance with airflow. A dedicated screen porch expands living space for shoe storage, gear, or a shaded entry zone, while standalone use remains an option, delivering versatility across camping scenarios. Performance-wise, the combination of a large footprint and robust ventilation makes this model well-suited for family car camping in varied conditions. The Rainfly and storage bags simplify transport, though the higher weight, about 31 pounds, and longer packing dimensions, boxy packaging, demand more planning for transport. The 130 square foot floor area provides abundant space, but real-world comfort will depend on how well the vehicle connection seals against wind-driven rain. The screen porch can help create a distinct indoor-outdoor zone, which is ideal for families with kids.
List number 4. Timber Ridge 5-person SUV tent, weather-resistant portable for car, SUV, van camping. This Timber Ridge option targets a lighter, more portable setup for 5 people with a 10-foot by 8-foot footprint and 7.1-foot peak height. It emphasizes seamless car connection, an e-port for power access, and 2 mesh storage pockets inside. The PU2000 waterproof coating delivers weather resistance while maintaining a more compact pack footprint than the larger 13-foot tent. The design allows standalone use, making it adaptable for both tailgate and standalone tent camping scenarios. In practice, the tent's lighter weight and smaller footprint translate to easier handling and truck bed storage. The interior pockets help keep essentials organized, and the e-port feature enables charging devices without leaving the shelter. While ventilation is addressed via 2 mesh windows and a top skylight, the single-door design may be limiting in certain layouts or during high occupancy. Still, the combination of reasonable shelter area, ease of use, and vehicle connection makes it a practical all-around choice for family car camping.
List number 5, SUV tent. Qualincy's dual-mode SUV tent stands out with a 2-config approach. Party mode creates a freestanding social shelter for gatherings, while privacy mode attaches to the vehicle for overnight use. The 5,000mm waterproof Oxford gabric and taped seams demonstrate a strong weather resistance profile for all seasons. A rigid frame with 2cm heavy-duty metal tubes, locking pin joints, steel stakes, and tire grip straps prioritize stability on variable terrain, while a 118 inches by 94.5 inches footprint provides generous 79-inch floor width and 78.7-inch max height. The design includes an insulated canopy and rain defense system to manage temperature and precipitation, plus gear pockets and a lantern hook for organization. On the practical side, the Quick Connect attachment and suction cups help secure the tent to a vehicle without tools, a notable advantage for quick campsite setup. The dual-mode concept is compelling for groups that alternate between social use and overnight privacy, but the all-season claim may be tested by extreme winter conditions or heavy snowfall. The heavier build and the lack of warranty details are potential risk considerations, though the product is clearly designed for rugged, frequent use and ease of transition between configurations.